Before you go and launch that business idea, printing flyers, designing logo, or shouting DM for price, stop and breathe. In Nigeria, jumping into business without doing the right underground work is a recipe for frustration, wasted money, and burnout dreams. Too many people start with vibes and cruise, but it crashes. They say business no dey work for Naija, but that is not true. What they miss is this preparation. So in this video, I'm sharing seven key things you must do before starting any business in Nigeria, be it offline, online, or even side hustle. Whether you are selling wigs, launching a tech startup, or just thinking about how to escape 9 to 5, this video is for you. Let's get in now. So number one thing you need to know is to know your why. This is beyond just making money. A lot of us start business because we are broke, we are tired of our jobs, or we see people on Instagram cashing out. But that alone isn't enough. You need to understand why you are starting this particular business. Is it because there is a real problem you want to solve? Are you passionate about the niche, or you are trying to build long-term wealth, or just side money for now? Your why will be what keeps you going when business is slow, customers are ghosting, or NEPA takes light during delivery. Think of it like this: if your why isn't just to blow, once you don't blow after 3 months, you will quit. But if your why is purpose driven, you will push through. But two things you must do is do market research. This is where people fail. They come up with a random idea, launch it, and then wonder why nobody is buying. In Nigeria, you must do small research. No need for complex surveys. Talk to people in your area, search for hashtag on Instagram, look through Gigi, Konga, Jumia, and WhatsApp status ad. Ask questions like, are people already buying these things? What prices are they paying? Who are your competitors? What are they doing that you can do better? For example, let's say you want to sell perfume. Before buying 50 bottles, ask 5 to 10 people if they will buy and at what price. Find out what size and fragrance they prefer. Don't assume, ask. Number 3 point is know the costs. Don't guesstimate or assume. We always underestimate how much it takes to run a business in Nigeria. Yes, you may start with small capital, but what about the hidden costs? You need to break down everything: your startup cost, the product, the branding, and the packaging cost. Then your daily running ads, your daily running cost, your data, delivery, transport, electricity, and logistics. You should factor in all these things. Then number 3 is tools that you will need: your WhatsApp business, your Canva Pro and subscriptions, your power bank, and so many other things. You need to factor in these things before you can say yes, you are ready to start that business. And your marketing comes in, because you can't succeed without marketing. So your marketing ads, influencers you're going to be using, and promo deals you're going to be running. So you need to factor in all this. And lastly, you need to know your time. Yes, your time has value. You must prioritize your time. So create a small Google sheet or jot in your diary. Write down how much you need to start for at least 3 months. If you can't sustain it for 90 days, you are not yet ready. Is that clear? Yeah. Number 4 point is pick the right business structure. This might sound formal, but it matters. Are you just hustling, or are you building a brand? Is it a side hustle? Maybe you will find using your name for now. But if you are serious about long-term business growth, register your business with CAC. It builds credibility. It helps you open a business account and protect your business name from being stolen. So also, if you ever wanted to work with brand, sell to corporate clients, or receive international payment, a registered business gives you that legitimacy. So registering a business in Nigeria now can be done online with less than 25,000 naira. So don't wait till you blow before you register a business. Do it now. Depends on the structure of the business you are running. All right. So number 5 thing you should know is prepare your mind. Business no easy in Nigeria. Business no easy. It's not for the fainted heart. So let's be honest. Doing business in Nigeria is like playing video game on a hard mode. It's very hard. So you face a lot of things. You face power outage, customer wahala, how much? Like 10 times without no purchase. They'll keep asking you, I want to buy, how much, how much? At the end, they will not buy. So you need to prepare your mind for that. Is it failed delivery, the dispatch rider, the drivers, the way be issues? You're going to prepare your mind for that. Then payment issues also, fake alert and all of that. You have to make up your mind to face all these things when you get started. Abeg, credit me customers dey o. Those that will buy in credit, you have to be prepared for it. Then random banking issue. So network in bank issue can frustrate you most times when you want to make a transaction, even when your customer wants to make transaction. So you must build emotional resilience. Your mindset is what will keep you going on days when nobody buys or when sales drop for weeks. So prepare your mind to treat it like a real journey, not a get quick rich scheme. Success may not come in 1 month, but with consistency, it will surely come. So the 6th point you need to know before you start up that business is that you build your online presence. Yes, even if it's an offline business, you need an online presence. You must have an online presence. In 2025 and beyond, people must be able to find you online no matter what you are selling. Have an online business. Even if you run shawarma spot in Benin, or you sell akara in Ondo State, people will Google you to check you on Instagram. So set up business profile with a clear information, Instagram page with good products and photo and caption, Facebook or Google page or Google business page for location-based business, and occasionally your one-page website or linked tree can also come in. So add testimonials, reviews, behind the scene content. People trust what they see. In Nigeria, trust is the key. Trust is currency. So the 7th thing you need to know or you need to learn is learn basic sales and marketing. Even if you have the best product in Nigeria, if you can't sell it, you are done. So sell is not disturbing people. It is connecting problems to solution. Connecting problem to solution. Have this at the back of your mind. You don't disturb people for sales. You show them the solution to their problem. They will buy from you. So you need to learn how to handle, I will get back to you, which is very common. You're also going to learn how to write capture that will make people buy. That's where copywriting comes in. You also need to do small discount to trigger urgency. All right? And use storytelling to connect emotionally. Use WhatsApp broadcasts the right way. Don't spam people. All right? So instead of buying now, only 3 left. Try last week, a customer bought this duvet. For example, instead of saying buy now, only 3 left. Try this. Last week, a customer bought this duvet set and she said she slept like a baby for the first time in months. Only 3 sets left. Will one be yours? Marketing is not hype, it is a strategy. So, starting a business in Nigeria can be a way out, but only if you start the smart way. Do not just copy trend. Lay the right foundation, do your research, prepare your mind and show up consistently. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who is planning to start up business, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to grow your income in Nigeria, whether offline or online. Drop a comment on what business you want to try in the comment section. Let's talk about it more in the comment section. All right, so bye for the now.